Hi there, welcome to our channel. So today we are gonna talk about some super habits of learning English. For learning any new languages, we need to be familiar with that language. So today we will talk about some daily activities which will help us to learn English in easier way. So number one we are gonna talk about is reading practice. Whether it is reading books or newspaper, it is a fruitful way to learn faster. The number two is watching online speeches, not movies. Movies will distract you from your learning. And number three is listening English audios, or maybe it could be radio. In my case, listening radio in the early morning helps me a lot and is still helping me a lot. Then number four is try writing notes or daily works in a paper. It will boost your learning. And number five is writing new words in a superb way to be familiar with the unfamiliar language. In any language, you need to know their words or whatever they are gonna say. You have to recognize it. So writing and knowing new words is a authentic way to learn. And number six is speaking with people, or it could be with your own self. So what word you have learned, you should try to use it in your writing and speaking. I hope in this way you can learn English easily and faster. Hope this video will help you a lot, and do this practice every day. This is called everyday activities.